back to another vlog. I'm talking softly because Mayang is in a meeting. So I just came back from the gym and I did not take bath till now. I applied some lemon to my hair, so you can see I have lemon in my hair. So I do this like every once in 2 months for extra moisture and freshness. So yeah, now I have 10 minutes to rest before I go and take bath. And yeah, it's a beautiful weather outside, and they did trim the trees outside our apartment and everything, like in the whole community. And yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting here for 10 minutes and then go take bath. And there comes the baby, Marvel. Yeah, so he just went to his bed. So like I told you guys, he has 2 beds. One is always in this room and the other is outside whenever he wants to sit outside. Look at him. Look at his face. Marvel. What happened? What are you doing? What are you thinking? Look at his cute face. So anyways, I'm gonna sit with Marvel for some time and then gonna go take bath. And I think I'll be shooting a recipe today. So I got some sweet peppers and I'm gonna be stuffing them with some ricotta cheese and mozzarella and some spices and make something like stuffed sweet peppers kind of thing. It's gonna be a great appetizer, so stay tuned for the recipe, guys. Anyways, and also, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So I was telling you guys in my previous vlogs that our gym, they're renovating it, so they did do the flooring, but and today when I went to the gym, I saw they got new equipment. They got a Smith machine, which is gonna have a barbell, and I'm super excited because I love that machine. And finally our gym is gonna be complete. It's gonna be amazing from tomorrow. Mayan could not go to the gym because he was in a meeting, so I told him and he's like, yay, super excited. So yeah, tomorrow when we go to the gym, I'll take you guys with me and show you the new machine and what all workouts I do there. So anyways, I'm just gonna, I think it's almost 3-4 minutes talking to you guys. No, it's 3 minutes, yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in some time. Okay guys, done with my bath. You can see my hair. It looks fresh and it feels very soft. Yeah. So I'm gonna go make lunch. Hold on, there's something in my eye. So I'm gonna go make lunch. I have leftover rice. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna make some lentil, and we have some potatoes that I'm gonna boil and add chopped onion to green chili and some salt and paprika. That's it. So this is a dish. This is a potato dish that I used to eat when I was back in India in my place. So it's called aloo pitika in Assam, and I don't know how many of you, I mean, I'm sure people call it with different names in their region. So it's basically mashed potato, boiled potato mashed, chopped with chopped onion, onion and green chili, salt and paprika. That's it, and it's so delicious. So that is what I'm going to make. And wow, my hair feels really nice. Anyways, so let's go make some lunch because I'm really hungry.
question. I told him.
About what?
He's planning your birthday.
Oh my god, I love him!
Is finally off work. And Marvel is looking at him from here. So we are actually going to. Why you?
I mean, you already saw what they got. But
I didn't see. They were just opening, but I didn't see anything from inside. So we're actually going to check out the new equipment that they got in the gym and also get some coffee from our leasing office. So let's, from our clubhouse, not leasing office. So yeah.
Yeah, I heard they got Smith's machine.
Yeah.
So what is that? We'll show you in a bit once we reach there, if they have opened and assembled it.
Yeah, they were doing it that time. So they said they'll take like 2-3 hours to do it, but
so it's like 2-3 hours are just done, and we are walking right to see. We got really motivated and excited when we learned that they're installing.
We were anyways going to go and check it out tomorrow, but we couldn't wait till tomorrow morning, so we are going to check it out now.
And we wanted to have a coffee, so we'll rather just have a coffee there and check out the gym machine, new gym machine. So now you would probably see some new workouts in our vlogs.
And you can see the weather is so beautiful. It's nice, windy and sunny. What you were saying? Ooh. Were you saying something?
They'll get to see the new trailer I made, intro.
Yeah, in this video actually.
Yeah.
Because
so in this video, in the very start, you will see a new intro, like how the video starts. So please let us know how you liked it.
Yeah, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So anyways, let's go. So guys, we are here and this is the new Smith machine. He's just trying it out there. It's good?
Yep.
Cool. Love it. Super excited for tomorrow.
Sí, man. Coño, qué chingo. Yo pensaba que la estabas agarrando, o sea, que estabas agarrando.
I'm done with my coffee. We got cappuccino and I added French vanilla flavor. We'll go out this way. So we are gonna show you this amazing work, how it can work in a million ways when we start working out from tomorrow. Every time I turn the camera over there, it's gonna blacken me because it's against the light and the blinds are closed. But that machine is the machine we have been waiting for so long. It literally completes our gym because you can do so many deadlifts, weights, everything. I mean, she'll be very happy to work out her glutes now. So you're gonna get so many new workouts, so many new stuff going on. So stay tuned.
So I'm done shooting a recipe. It's called stuffed sweet peppers, and they're gonna come out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And look at them over here. Marvel is getting all the pampering. Right, Marvel? You're so cute. Look at him.
Yes.
So yeah, anyways, it's super hot today, but I'm very excited for tomorrow to go to the gym. And yep, the day is almost about to get over. It was nothing much, very simple. It was working, I was here. Yeah.
And you will get to see the peppers in a bit.
Yeah, you'll
But
get.
for the recipe,
Yeah, but for the recipe you have to check out in my channel. But definitely once we are tasting it, we'll show you how it came out.
With your fluffy lip. With this fluffy lip. Okay. Motu. Hey Motu baby. Hey Motu baby.
Marvel,
Marvel, are you a fat baby?
you fat baby.
Are you a Motu baby? Motu baby.
Sleep, sleep.
sleep for some more time, okay? You have to sleep for
It's 6 o'clock right now.
minutes.
So yeah, Marvel has to wait until our recipe is done, and only then we're gonna take him out for.
And
His
at
walk.
least the sun goes down a
Yeah,
little bit.
it's
so
very
hot
hot right now. Look at him! Oh my God! Look at him!
Ah,
Bless you.
what are you doing? Okay guys, so she's stuffing her mouth to get these peppers, and for the recipe of course you have to go check out the link. There is a link in the description box as well as on this channel for Tanya's Kitchen. Go check it out. You will see all the delicious recipes like this one. This was a quick bake of 15 minutes I guess, right?
Yeah.
But it is so good. What were the ingredients? Go check out Tanya's
It's a
Kitchen.
perfect appetizer
Yep.
if you wanna make a quick snack, or if you have guests coming over real quick. So it's so good.
And these are
Look at this. Look at the color.
these are sweet peppers.
Yeah.
So don't get those peppers with which you put pickle.
Yeah.
Those are different peppers.
Not the jalapeno or banana peppers, not the ones. These are called sweet peppers.
It's really too good. Look at this. The caramelization, the burnt of the pepper. I really love it.
It's so irritating. We're eating one after one.
So anyways, two awesome things happened. The Monday is going so good. We're starting it strong. New gym equipment which we are very excited about, and so many new exercises and stuff will start coming now. Also a recipe,
Yep.
a delicious one, and she got 300 subscribers on her Tanya's Kitchen channel, so congratulations to her. And we already celebrated last night.
Yep.
So thank you guys, those who are following us, those who have subscribed us, viewing us here as well as on Tanya's Kitchen. Thank you all so much, because that really means a lot to us. She will keep continuing to bring delicious recipes.
Yes.
And she has many more ideas for her cooking channel as well. So stay tuned to that. I know many of you might be wondering to get like more Indian recipes. Not everybody has access to ovens and things. So she's gonna start the whole series of that, and it's gonna be so good. So it's like 101.
So I'm gonna start a series like simple
Beginner
recipes, beginner. It doesn't always have to be fancy. You can start cooking with simple foods. They're also very delicious.
I was telling her,
And, yeah.
tell me how many of you, sorry to cut
No,
you
no.
off. Tell me how many of you guys like the idea. But I was telling her to do a series for like newlyweds, girls who do not know how to cook at all.
Yeah.
They cannot be newlyweds. I mean, there are so many girls who go out and start living on their own, but they do not know all to cook. And to me, even boys should know the basics of cooking.
Yeah.
You never know where you'll have to
Well, that
cook.
way they should know, because then they can help their wife or their girlfriend to cook in the kitchen like how he does.
So, so anyway, so a lot is going on. A lot of new stuff is coming. As we promised in the start of the new year, we are also doing new videos in this vlog as well. She's doing a whole new series in Tanya's kitchen as well. And now you'll also see some movement, some activity very soon, within a month, on our fitness channel as well. Because again, I do understand that we cannot show our entire routine, otherwise that will be the vlog by itself for an hour.
Well, this is just a lifestyle vlog, so
yeah,
for everything. It's not
so you will at
gym.
least get to know that yes, we do these kinds of exercise or these kinds of exercise, different routines that we do, different food that we eat, different places that we go. So it's just lifestyle stuff. But in addition to that, very soon I will start doing the series. Caught on camera. Yep. I should be keeping up the count, trust me, otherwise I have to go to bed hungry. I know. So anyways, so a lot of things is happening. Once again, thank you so much for helping her reach 300 subscribers.
I'm very grateful, very thankful.
So
thank you so much.
Yep. So I guess this is it for today's vlog.
Yeah.
So pretty much this happened to be our dinner, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll only do shake at tops. And we will definitely see you in another amazing vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.